Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Sapphire Point Overlook sits above Dillon Reservoir, just east of Frisco, on a narrow ridge that provides a clear, elevated view across one of the most important pieces of infrastructure in Summit County. While it is commonly treated as a scenic stop, the overlook is better understood as a place that explains how the region is organized. Below the overlook is Dillon Reservoir, an engineered lake built to supply water to Colorado's Front Range. Its location reflects both geography and planning. This basin collects runoff from surrounding mountain ranges, making it an efficient point for long-term water storage in high-elevation environments. From this vantage, the reservoir's scale and containment are easily to understand. The surrounding land use reinforces that function. Towns such as Frisco and Dillon sit back from the shoreline rather than pressing against it. Development is controlled, with clear buffers between residential areas and water. This separation reflects the reservoir's primary role as a utility rather than a recreational center, even though recreation occurs around it. Transport routes follow the same logic. Roads curve along the edges of the basin, maintaining access without cutting through protected areas. Interstate 70 and the connecting highways align with the valley created by the reservoir and surrounding terrain. From Sapphire Point, it becomes clear why movement through Summit County concentrates here. The combination of water, elevation, and slope leaves few viable alternatives. The overlook itself occupies a stable, elevated position that avoids interference with both shoreline activity and transport corridors. It allows observation without disrupting the systems below. This placement reflects broader planning priorities in the county, where access is provided carefully and selectively. The surrounding mountain frames the reservoir tightly. The 10-mile range rises sharply on one side, with other ridgelines enclosing the basin on the remaining edges. This natural containment is the key reason the reservoir functions effectively. Snowmelt and seasonal runoff are directed into a defined space that can be managed predictably. From this position, the compact nature of nearby towns is also apparent. Frisco remains contained rather than sprawling outward. Growth is limited by geography, water infrastructure, and long-standing planning decisions. The overlook shows how these constraints operate together rather than independently. Sapphire Point is small and undeveloped by design. There are no large structures or commercial facilities competing for space. The emphasis is on position, not presence. The overlook exists to provide a fixed reference point rather than to become a destination in its own right. What this location offers is clarity. It shows how water storage, settlement boundaries, and transport routes intersect in one place. From here, the structure of Summit County is readable. A managed reservoir, compact towns, and movement shaped by terrain. Sapphire Point Overlook is useful because it explains how the region works. It provides context to why development looks the way it does, why roads follow specific paths, and why the lake remains central to the county's layout.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.